Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has gained 1.4% in the last session. Stochastic has shifted into overbought territory. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. Stochastic has skyrocketed into overbought territory. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has bounced upwards into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.7% in the last session. The ATR has moved into the low volatility area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Global stock markets fell as expectations of faster growth and quickening inflation battered bonds, boosted commodities, and led to a further rotation out of big tech names. Elon Musk's embrace of Bitcoin earlier this month rocketed the cryptocurrency almost 50% higher to more than $58,000, but now it suffers under his cold shoulder. Babylon Healthcare has pulled back from China, where it had a partnership with Tencent's WeChat, as the company couldn't come up with a commercially viable model.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller home price indices will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. Consumer Confidence at 1500 GMT, the Eurozone's Consumer Price Index at 1000 GMT. Italy's industrial sales will be released at 900 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 700 GMT, the UK's ILO unemployment rate at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.